Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the 6 foods that you should be eating every day.
Whole food, plant-based, it's the best thing for our taste. So pull up a chair and grab a plate, 'cause it's the all-free whole food plant-based cooking show.
So we're going to get right into it. I like to use Dr. Fuhrman's term of G-bombs because it helps me remember what are the 6 main things that I should be eating every day or fitting into my diet every day. So G-bombs stands for greens, beans, onions, mushrooms, berries, and seeds. So you should be packing as many of these things into your meals every day. So I happen to have a bunch of different recipes that use these ingredients, and one in particular that uses all of these ingredients. So you have to check out that recipe in the link below. So greens, I like to use kale. That's our family's favorite green. This happens to be some dinosaur kale, but you can use just the curly leaf kale. But there are so many other greens out there like collard greens and spinach, arugula. But this one I like it because it's more versatile. We can make it into salads, kale chips, and cook it into foods. So this is one of the foods that Dr. Fuhrman rates as the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. So that's the one I like to go to. Beans. These are some dry beans, and this is one of my favorite companies. I know you've probably heard me talk about them before, Rancho Gordo, and I'll have their link in the description below. Just the best flavored beans. They're all heirloom beans, and his story is great, so check out that company and read their bio. It's really great. Onions, you name it, phytonutrients. It's just packed full of nutrition, and it's even better if you can get some of it raw in there, like on your salads. Cut up a little diced onion and sprinkle it on your salads every day. But cooked is also good, just raw is probably even more full of vitamins. Mushrooms, this is a great superfood. This, Dr. Fuhrman also talks about mushrooms, and it doesn't have to be just this type of mushroom. All mushrooms are packed with nutrients and have shown to help reduce your chances in cancer, all kinds of cancers. So, that's an important one to get in there. Berries, again, phytonutrients, all of your antioxidants are in there. I like to get these organic wild blueberries from Trader Joe's. They're just these teeny little blueberries, and they're just packed with flavor. I love them. And raspberries. We sprinkle them on our oatmeal in the mornings, or put them in a smoothie, or sprinkle them on our dessert at night. Love that. And seeds. I just have here some raw sunflower seeds and some flaxseed meal. You can also use chia seeds. They're great. Or any other nuts, but he suggests seeds in particular because they have more nutrients even than nuts do. So raw sunflower seeds. I make kale chips, and sunflower seeds is the main ingredient for the creamy sauce that I bake onto them for flavor. Flax seeds, same thing. You can sprinkle it on your oatmeal in the morning, put it in a shake, even sprinkle it on your salads in the day. So check them out, guys. Try to pack as many of these nutritious foods in your diet every day, and you will be good to go. And I'll see you next time.